Stay calm. Follow these voice instructions. Make sure 911 is called now. Begin by exposing patient's bare chest and torso. Remove or cut clothing if needed. Tear open foil package across dotted line and remove pads. Firmly place the pad without the liner on the patient exactly as illustrated. Next, peel the blue plastic liner off of the second white pad. Firmly place the second pad on the opposite location, exactly as illustrated. Do not touch patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Please wait. Do not touch patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Please wait. Preparing shock. Move away from the patient. Shock will be delivered in 3, 2, 1. Press, 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 press. Do not touch patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Please wait. Shock will be delivered in 3, 2, 1. Press, 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 press.